Привет всем! Welcome back to Learn Russian with Oksana. We continue our practical course of Russian from beginner to advanced. If you're new to the channel, you can subscribe and practice your Russian with us. It's a long course and there are going to be a lot of new lessons. Today is lesson 24. It's a theoretical lesson. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is to learn new verbs. You already know the verb знать, to know. I know what it is. I know. Я знаю what. Что it is. Это. Я знаю, что это. The verb знать is the first conjugation verb. You already know all the forms and endings of this form in the present tense. So let's take some new verbs which conjugate the same way. For example, the verb think, думать, думать. We think, мы думаем that today it's warm. That, что today, сегодня тепло. Do you think Anna is at home? Do you think, plural, вы думаете, Anna at home, дома? So if you don't remember the endings of the first conjugation verbs like знать and думать, you can go to lesson 16 and refresh your memory. The next verb is understand. Понимать. I understand. Я понимаю the Russian language. Русский язык. But I don't speak Russian. But, но, I don't speak. Я не говорю по-русски. They don't understand where we are. They don't understand. Они не понимают where we are, где мы. Another verb is to work. Работать. Работать. This is the infinitive of the verb. All the infinitives end in t in Russian. T and the soft sign. Where do you work? Where? Где you? Ты работаешь. He is not working now. He, он, now. Сейчас is not working, не работает. The verb walk, гулять. We are walking in the park. Мы гуляем in the park, в парке. Мы гуляем в парке. Well, actually, the verb гулять in Russian is not only walk, like go on foot along the street, but it also has the meaning of going out or spending time outside. For example, when we talk about children, the children are walking. The children, дети, are walking, гуляют. To convey the meaning that it is happening right now, the present continuous, we usually add now. Сейчас. Дети сейчас гуляют. It means that they are spending time outside. Maybe they are walking, maybe running, hanging out on the playground, cycling, skating, or doing whatever children usually do outdoors. Okay, let's read these sentences again. Я знаю, что это. Думать. Мы думаем, что сегодня тепло. Вы думаете, Анна дома? Понимать. Я понимаю русский язык, но я не говорю по-русски. Они не понимают, где мы. Работать. Где ты работаешь? Он сейчас не работает. Гулять. Мы гуляем в парке. Дети сейчас гуляют. Okay, the next verb we're going to learn is to do or to make. They can be both translated as делать. Делать. What are you doing? What? Что? You. Вы. Plural. Делаете. We are relaxing or we are resting. Мы отдыхаем. So, the new verb отдыхать. Отдыхать is to rest, spend time relaxing, trying to restore energy or get rid of tiredness. It also means not working or being on vacation, like the verb to vacation. What are you doing here? What? Что? You. Ты. Here. Здесь. Делаешь. I work here. Я здесь работаю. Do you know what is she doing tonight? Do you know? Ты знаешь what? Что она делает tonight? Сегодня вечером. No, why? Нет. А что? Why? А что? We say, and what? Nothing. Ничего. Nothing when you don't want to talk anymore. What do you think they are doing now? Well, this question consists of two questions, right? First, what do you think? What is your opinion? And then, what are they doing now? So in Russian, we divide these two questions. What do you think? We say, how do you think? Как ты думаешь? What are they doing now? Что? They, они. Now, сейчас. Делают. Как ты думаешь, что они сейчас делают? I think, я думаю, they are walking in the park. Why? Я думаю, they, они гуляют в парке. А что? What are you doing on Monday? Что ты делаешь? In Russian, we use the present tense as well as the present continuous is used in English for future plans. What are you doing on Monday? On Monday, we say in Monday. В понедельник. Что ты делаешь в понедельник? On Monday, I'm working. В понедельник я работаю. And you? А ты? On Tuesday, I usually work remotely. On Tuesday, во вторник, well, here and here is the same preposition. В, va. It's the same as the article an in English. So it has the same meaning, but we use it just to give extra sound for us to pronounce it more easily. Во вторник usually. Я обычно work работаю remotely удаленно. Today is Wednesday. Today. Сегодня среда. And on Wednesday, а в среду, they don't work. Они не работают. I don't understand where the shop is here. Я не понимаю where, где, here, здесь, shop, магазин. We don't understand the English language. We don't understand. Мы не понимаем английский язык. Speak Russian, please. The imperative. Говорите по-русски, пожалуйста. Okay? Let's read all these sentences and words. Делать. Что вы делаете? Мы отдыхаем. Отдыхать. Что ты здесь делаешь? Я здесь работаю. Ты знаешь, что она делает сегодня вечером? Нет. А что? Ничего. Как ты думаешь, что они сейчас делают? Я думаю, они гуляют в парке. А что? Что ты делаешь в понедельник? В понедельник я работаю, а ты? Во вторник я обычно работаю удаленно. Сегодня среда, а в среду они не работают. Я не понимаю, где здесь магазин. Мы не понимаем английский язык. Говорите по-русски, пожалуйста. Okay, let's continue. And we are going to take a new portion of numbers. So, you already know how to count from 0 to 100. Now, let's take from 200 to 900. 200, 200. 300, 300. 400, 400. 500, 500. 600, 600. 700, 700. 800, 800. 900, 900. Okay, how to talk about price in Russian? We use the verb to cost, стоить. Cost, стоить. How much does it cost? How much? Сколько? It. Это. Cost. Стоит. Сколько это стоит? It costs. Это стоит 1 ruble. 1 рубль. With all numbers that end in 1, we use the word рубль in its main singular form. You can say it costs 21 rubles. 21 рубль. It costs 521 rubles. 500, 521 рубль. It costs, это стоит, 2 rubles. 2 рубля. So when the number ends in 2, 3 or 4, we use the word рубля. It costs 32 rubles. 32 рубля. It costs 832 rubles. 832 рубля. It costs 4 rubles. Это стоит 4 рубля. Or you can say it costs 44 rubles. 44 рубля. It costs 644 rubles. So we add 644 рубля. It costs 5 rubles. Это стоит 5 рублей. So from 5 to 9 and 0, we use the word рублей. It's the genitive case of the plural form. It costs 65 rubles. 65 рублей. Or you can say it costs 465 rubles. 400 465 рублей. From 11 to 19, we also use the word рублей. For example, it costs 11 or 12 rubles. It costs. Это стоит 11. 11 or 12 или 12 рублей. Let's read everything again. 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Don't try to pronounce T here. Just say 600, 600, 700, 800, 900. Стоить. Сколько это стоит? Это стоит 521 рубль. Это стоит 832 рубля. Это стоит 644 рубля. Это стоит 465 рублей. Это стоит 11 или 12 рублей. Well, that's it for today. If you've been with me during all this course, then I don't think the lesson was too difficult for you. In the next video, we're going to practice everything from this lesson. See you next time. Have a nice day.